Yellowstone is the first national park in the world and sets the precedent for all national parks. Native Americans first used the park as their home and hunting grounds. Tourists began using the land when it was established as a national park on March 1, 1872, by President Ulysses S. Grant. The first park superintendent was Horace Albright. Yellowstone is located in 3 states: Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. It is the second largest national park in the contiguous 48 United States. Only Death Valley National Park is larger. Yellowstone is one of the largest active volcanoes in the world. The highest point is Eagle's Peak at 11,358 feet, and the lowest point is Reese Creek at 5,282 feet. The name of the park comes from the Yellowstone River, which gets its name from the yellow-colored rocky cliffs located on its banks in the northern region of the park. The park is most known for its habitat, including elk, pronghorn, and bears. Most notably, the population of American bison once numbered between 25 and 60 million by some estimates. However, by the late 1880s, they had been hunted to near extinction. Today, the Yellowstone Park bison herd is the last free-ranging bison herd in the United States, and the only place where bison are not being killed. The herd is descended from a remnant population of 23 individual bison that survived the mass slaughter of the 19th century by hiding out in the Hayden Valley of Yellowstone Park. In 1902, a captive herd of 21 Goodnight Plains bison was introduced to the park and then moved to Lamar Valley and managed as livestock until the 1960s, when a policy of natural regulation was adopted by the park. Also, Yellowstone is famous for its geothermal activity. Yellowstone was formed by hot spots underground along the movement of plate tectonics and was initially made famous due to its unique geology caused by its location on the North American plate. Geysers and hot springs are the most common geologic features, which have formed due to the hot spot and geologic instability. Old Faithful is the most famous geyser, but there are more than 300 geysers within the park. Yellowstone's hydrothermal features would not exist without the underlying magma body that releases tremendous heat. They also depend on sources of water from the mountains surrounding the Yellowstone Plateau and the 2 major rivers, the Yellowstone River and the Snake River. There, snow and rain slowly percolate through layers of permeable rock riddled with cracks. Some of this cold water meets hot brine directly heated by the shallow magma body. The water's temperatures rise well above 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With half of the Earth's geothermal features, Yellowstone holds the planet's most diverse and intact collection of geysers, hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles. Located along the Continental Divide within the Middle Rocky Mountains, Yellowstone is situated on a high plateau averaging 8,000 feet in elevation. Mountain ranges varying from 10,000 to 14,000 feet encircle Yellowstone, with the Grand Teton Range at the southern end. More than 130 years have passed since Yellowstone became the world's first national park. Today, approximately 3 million visitors from around the world travel to Yellowstone every year to see flora and animals in their natural habitat, along with the amazing wonders of Earth's geothermal features. National parks are considered by many to be America's greatest gift to the world.